Hey, how are we doing today? Great. So, I don't know if you can see what I have going on at the table today, but I have a bunch of well-used bags. This is a very, very fun game that people have played many, many times. See, I have all these different bags, and then inside each bag, I have some objects. I have some things that all have the same beginning sound. These are my beginning sound bags. Beginning and bag both have the same sound, don't they? Yeah. Beginning, bag. What sound is that? What letter makes that b sound? B, b, b. By gosh, it's B. B says b. Beginning, bags, B. So inside all these bags are things that have the same beginning sound. So I'm going to open one of the bags right now. Let's see. This one looks good to me. Look, I wonder what's in here. That's a question mark. I'm thinking. And I'm going to pull. This thing feels weird. What's this? Spider. I've got something else. Straw. Spider, straw. Ah, ooh, fun. Ah, what's this? It's a slinky. Shaped like a, it's not a star. Slinky, straw, spider. Spider, straw, slinky. What letter says S? Do you know? If you said S, give yourself a high five. Super! I'm so proud of you. So S says S, like spider, straw, and slinky. Oh, that's fun. Can you come up with some other S words? Could you make an S bag at home? I bet you could. All right, let's pick another bag. This one looks good. I got a hat, hammer, and a horse. A horse, a hammer, and a hat. Horse, hat, hammer. What is the beginning sound of these? What letter is used to make these beginning sounds? H. H says like hat, hammer, and horse. Could you make an H bag at your home? Home? You're right, that starts with the H sound too. All right, I'm gonna pick another bag. Ooh, this is a bag in a bag. Ooh, this one's gonna be hard, I can tell. Let's see. All right, here we go. I have a bag in a bag. I'm going to open the other bag of the bag, and I'm going to get, what do I see? I have a quarter and a penny. And we call these things coins. Coins. I have coins. I have coins and a cat. Coins and a, oh, sweet kitty cat. Coins and a cat. If you said C, good job. What else could we put in something that starts with C? Coins, cat, cracker. Good job. You could make a sea bag at your house. Let's see what's in another bag. Ooh, wowee. Huh. Look at this. We talked about making another sea bag, and look what I found. I found a car and a comb. Car and a comb. What do those start with? K, 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 k. That's right, C. So, here's what I want you to do. I want you to watch this video again and practice saying all the beginning sounds that I showed you. And then I want you to go around your home and I want you to make an M bag. What are things that you would put in an M bag? Could you put your mom in the bag? No, don't do that. But maybe if you have a picture of her, you could put a picture of your mom and you'd say, Mom starts with M. Money. Money starts with M. Magnets. Magnets start with M. Those are things you could put in your M bag. And then I want you to take another bag and make a B bag. Maybe you'd find a ball or a baby, or you have some biscuits. Make a B bag. Make sure you send me a picture of what you put in your B and M bags. Thank you.